Hey everyone, Radhe Radhe. Today we'll be learning about various different factors which we should observe or view before designing a cluster, which usually depends upon the purpose. Purpose could be of three types. First one could be of education purpose, which we should opt for Minikube or the single node cluster for spinning up the whole cluster really easily. And the second one could be the development and the training purposes, training and testing purposes. It will be having multi-node environment, but multi-node cluster, but will be having a single master node and multiple worker nodes. QADM, AKS, AWS, and GCP, GKE, all of these particular cloud systems and cloud examples and providers are really helpful in this. And then the hosting, production level environment. In this, we usually have multiple the master nodes as well, multi-cluster environment, and the multiple worker nodes as well, same environments and same solutions as we had in the development of the training or the training and testing purposes. Then the cloud or on-premise, it also depends, and affects our application at the moment, where either we are hosting our application on the cloud or onto the on-premise at the moment. So JKE for the GC, COPS for the AWS, and AKE for the Azure at the moment. So and the QAD same. And then it also depends upon the workloads, like for what we are for. How many workloads we'll be handling and what kind of workloads, whether it is big data analysis or the web development or the web application at the moment. And then the application resource, like whether it is memory intensive or the CPU intensive, traffic, burst traffic or heavy traffic, or comparatively slower traffic or smaller traffic. Then it also depends upon the storage, SSD backed storage, high performance, and network based storage would be multiple concurrent connections could be handled at the moment. And then the persistent shared volumes as well for sharing the access within the whole cluster for the different pods. And then the labeling nodes and node selections as well to assign applications different nodes based on the disk types that we are holding at the moment. Then we also have the nodes. We may choose between whether we are hosting our application on the physical virtual machines or on the cloud environments like the GCP, AKS, and AWS. Then the 64 bits OS is really helpful. And then we usually have three kind of nodes. One master node and two worker nodes. Although it isn't strictly prohibited, but we can do it by taints and tolerance. So yeah, that was all about. Radhe Radhe.